Marriage is said to be one of the most joyous occasions of one's life. But joy isn't the exact word that can describe this man's mood. Forget being happy. This groom is light years away from even smiling. After all, he was forced to marry someone whom he did not want to get married to. But that does not mean that he did not love her. Jagdish was in a relationship with Lakshmi for the past 10 years. A florist by profession, he had refused to marry Lakshmi. Residents of the area gave him a good beating when they came to know about it. They got them married at a temple. As you can see, Jagdish really wasn't ready for the marriage. In fact, everyone other than him was seen happy at the ceremony.
ಈಗ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಮೋಸದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ತಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಾಮ ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ಒಪ್ಕೊತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡವನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಐತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಅವನೇ ಬಂದ್ ಎಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಮದುವೆ ಐತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಯಜಮಾನ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಯಜಮಾನ್ರು ಏನಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಗಿಚ್ಚರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ.
Jagdish is also alleged to have kidnapped Lakshmi 4 years ago. He is said to have dropped her back to her home the next day. The police do not know the reasons as to why he did so. He went absconding soon after dropping her, and he was not seen again until recently.
ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿ 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕಾಣೆಯಾಗಿದ ಇವನೇ ಔಸ್ಕಂದಿ ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಯುವಕರನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಮಂಡಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
A group of youth noticed Jagdish in Mysore and took him to the Mandi police station. He had agreed to marry Lakshmi initially in the police station, but soon he went back on his words. Enraged by this, the youths took him to the nearby temple and got him married to Lakshmi. Jagdish is certainly not happy, but going by Lakshmi's